Ito ang 2-in-1 custom-made gown ng ating client mula Mandaluyong na dadalhin niya hanggang Canada. Tube gown kung bet mo ng minimalist look. Detachable Filipiniana sleeve kung gusto mo ng Maria Clara vibe. Char! Made with Dutch fab satin at may 1-layer na tulle sa skirt para sa extra volume at elegance. Ang napiling kulay ni client, sage green. Classy at very timeless. Simple pero fabulous ang dating. What are you waiting for? Book your orders now!